Hello children, welcome to the maths class. In chapter 6, the triangle and its properties, in previous class we learnt about the side inequality property of the triangle. By side inequality property of the triangle, in a triangle the sum of any two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. This is the sum of these two sides and it is greater than the third side. And the difference of any two sides is smaller than the third side. Subtract the length of one side from the other. We get this difference, and this difference is smaller than the third side. In exercise 6.4 in previous class we completed question 1 and question 2. Now coming to question 3. AM is a median of triangle ABC. Here ABC is a triangle and AM is the median. And we have to prove that the sum of these three sides of the triangle AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2 times AM, 2 times the median. Median means the line segment joining the vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side. And always median lies in the interior of the triangle. So here AM divides this triangle ABC into two triangles. This is first triangle ABM and the other triangle AMC. And to prove this statement, in these two triangles we will use side inequality property of the triangle. That means the sum of two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. So here in first triangle, sum of these two sides AB and BM is greater than the third side AM. So AB plus BM is greater than the third side AM. That is our median. Now in second triangle, sum of two sides MC plus CA. MC plus CA. Sum of these two sides is greater than the third side AM. That means median. This is our first inequality. This is our second inequality. And reason is side inequality property. Now we will add this 1 and 2. Left hand side first. AB plus BM plus MC plus CA. And this is greater than right hand side is AM plus AM. Now this AB is the side and see this BM plus MC. BM plus MC. This is together BC. So this is for BM plus MC we will write BC and plus CA. And in right hand side AM plus AM 2 times AM. Now see, this is the sum of three sides of the triangle. AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2 times AM. The same statement we got here. So it is proved. Hence proved. Question 4. ABCD is a quadrilateral. And we have to prove here this statement. In this statement, on left hand side, it is the sum of four sides of the quadrilateral AB plus BC plus CD and plus DA. And on right hand side, these are the diagonals AC and BD. And we have to prove that the sum of four sides of a quadrilateral is greater than the sum of these two diagonals. A quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. Means a closed figure made up of 4 line segments and it has 2 diagonals. Diagonal means the line segment joining the opposite vertices. This quadrilateral ABCD has 2 diagonals, diagonal AC and diagonal BD. And diagonal lies in the interior of the quadrilateral. So it divides the quadrilateral into 2 triangles. The other diagonal BD also divides this quadrilateral into 2 triangles. And here to prove this statement, in all these 4 triangles we will use side inequality property of the triangle. That means the sum of 2 sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. Now observe this inequality given. Here this in this inequality greater is the left hand side. So we have to keep sum of two sides on left hand side and the third side to the right side. So in first triangle ABC, sum of these two sides AB plus BC is greater than the third side AC. So AB plus BC is greater than the third side AC. It is our diagonal. Now in second triangle CD plus DA, CD plus DA is greater than this diagonal AC. This is first inequality, second inequality. Now in third triangle, this AB plus DA is greater than BD. AB plus DA is greater than the diagonal BD. Third inequality. And fourth is the sum of these two sides BC plus CD is greater than this diagonal BD. BC and CD, sum of two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side BD. Now we will add all these four inequalities. All the sides on the left hand side of this inequalities, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA plus AB plus DA plus this BC plus CD, and this is greater than AC plus AC plus BD plus BD. Now you see here each line segment AB plus AB 2 times AB, BC plus BC 2 times BC, CD plus CD 2 times CD, and a DA plus DA 2 times DA. So each line segment we get here 2 times AB plus 2 times BC plus 2 times CD plus 2 times DA, and on right hand side 2 times AC and 2 times BD. Now take 2 common. So on left hand side we will get 2 times AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, and on right hand side again take 2 common AC plus BD. Now we can divide both sides by 2, so 2 will cancel, and on left hand side we will get the sum of 4 sides of the quadrilateral AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, and on right hand side we will get the sum of diagonals AC plus BD, and this is only we had to prove here. So that's why it is proved, hence proved. Question 5. ABCD is a quadrilateral and we have to prove this statement. On the left side of this inequality, these are the sides of quadrilateral ABCD. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. And on right side of this inequality, these are the diagonals AC plus BD, sum of the diagonals. And here let us this diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. We get these 4 triangles 1, 2, 3 and 4. And to prove this statement in all these 4 triangles, we will use side inequality property of the triangle. That means the sum of 2 sides is greater than the third side. Now see this inequality. Here this left hand side is smaller than the right hand sides. So we have to keep one side on left hand side and sum of 2 sides on right hand side. So in first triangle AOD, the sum of these 2 sides AO plus OD is greater than AD, or we can write AD because here we want sides of quadrilateral. So AD we will keep on left hand side. AD is smaller than the sum of these 2 sides AO plus OD. This is first inequality. Now in second triangle, this AB is smaller than these 2 sides BO and AO. AO plus BO. second inequality. Now in third triangle, this BC side of quadrilateral is smaller than BO plus OC. BO plus OC, third inequality. And in fourth triangle, this side CD is smaller than OC plus OD. OC plus OD. This is our fourth inequality. And now we will add all these inequalities. On adding left hand sides, we get here AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. And on right hand side, we get AO plus AO, 2 times AO, plus OD plus OD, 2 times OD, plus BO plus BO, 2 times BO, and OC plus OC, 2 times OC. Now you see here AO plus OC, we get total AC, and BO plus OD, we get total BD. So AO plus OC we want together. So 2 times AO plus this we will write here, 2 times OC, plus here BO plus OD, 2 times BO plus 2 times OD. And from here we will take 2 common AO plus OC. And here also we will take 2 common BO plus OD. Now for this AO plus OC, we will write AC smaller than 2 times AC plus 2 times BO plus OD. BO plus OD, it is BD. And again take 2 common. So it is AC plus BD. And on left hand side, it is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. And the same we had to prove here. Same statement we are getting here. That's why it is proved. Hence proved. There is always confusion in these two questions. Why we have taken in this question triangles like this, and why we have taken in this question triangles like this. For that you have to observe this given statements properly. In this statement, this is greater sign on left hand side. So while using side inequality property, sum of 2 sides we have to keep on left side. So these are the 2 sides, and third side we have to keep on right hand side. But here this is smaller sign, smaller part is left side. So on left side we have to keep 1 side, and on right side this right side is greater. So sum of 2 sides we have to keep on right side. So here we have used triangles like this, and here we have used triangles like this. Question 6. The lengths of 2 sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Between what 2 measures should be the length of the third side fall? Here the lengths of 2 sides of the triangle are given, 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. And we have to find that what can be the measures of third side. So let it be x centimeter. I already explained to you that the sum of any 2 sides of the triangle is greater than the third side, and the difference of any 2 sides is smaller than the third side. So in a triangle, difference of 2 sides is smaller than the third side. We will find out the difference of these 2 sides, and while finding out the difference, we have to subtract smaller value from greater value, and the difference of these 2 sides is smaller than the third side. Third side is x centimeter. This is difference is 3 centimeter. So x is greater than 3 centimeter. Now we also know that in triangle, sum of any 2 sides is greater than the third side. Now third side is x centimeter, and sum of 2 sides 12 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. The sum of 2 sides is greater than the third side. This is our first inequality and this is our second inequality. X centimeter, this is smaller than the sum. Sum is 27 centimeter. This is our second inequality. Now from these inequalities we can conclude that this 3 centimeter is smaller than x centimeter. This is our third side. Third side is greater than the difference, but third side is smaller than the sum, 27 centimeter. So this length, measure of the third side is greater than 3 centimeter but less than 27 centimeter. So the length of the third side can be any length between 3 centimeter and 27 centimeter.